There's some key challenges that African farmers have to figure out to overcome how to participate in the much higher value coffee roasting space. Roasting is absolutely key. Firstly, roasting coffee transforms green coffee beans into roasted coffee products. Roasting gives the characteristic flavor, the color, the taste, and the smell. But because raw or green coffee beans are more stable than roasted coffee beans, the final roasting process is actually done close to the place of consumption. Now, this provides a particular challenge to African farmers because the largest markets for consumption are located in places like North America, in Europe, and to a lesser extent, Asia. Secondly, procuring the green coffee beans and only roasting later also gives coffee a longer shelf life. So the international buyers and roasters of coffee, they want to buy the raw and unprocessed commodity. Thirdly, customers want fresh, flavorful, and aromatic coffee. And this is the case when it's been recently roasted. But as soon as the coffee is roasted, this shortens its shelf life and the flavor gets more and more stale as each day passes. Now, the fourth consideration is that in the mass market, most coffee consumers are using processed coffee powders. And these are more convenient, but they also limit the demand for high quality, freshly roasted coffee from African farmers. And finally, accessibility to and the price of energy is a key consideration to be a successful coffee roaster. Roasting coffee beans is energy intensive, and in many African markets, electricity, gas, other sources of energy required to roast are frequently unavailable, they're unreliable, they're too costly, or they're a combination of all of these points.